Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing what I think of as a vintage nursery picture. It's toadstools and little birds and flowers and a tree. I did my drawing on tracing paper and then transferred it to 140-pound watercolour paper that was torn and taped at the edges. I had my watercolours, which are ages old. I can't tell you what these colours are. It's so long since I put them in there, and my water cup, which is really a coffee mug. The first thing I did was paint in my sky using plenty of water and dabbing out some of the paint with paper towel to give me a cloud effect. It's a bit rough, this sky, but and I think it's French ultramarine blue that I'm using here. I painted everything in what I think of as a mid-tone. It's the colour which is midway between my shadow colour, which is darker, and my highlight colour, which is lighter. That's how I think of it. I decided the light was coming from the left. I did not put in a highlight. I just put in a shadow. I cast a shadow under the mushrooms. I put a shadow on the right-hand side of the tree and on the right-hand side of the mushrooms. I forgot all about the birds. I think I put a little shadow on the rock that the bird is perched on, and that was it. And I think it's quite a charming vintage style picture. I'll put some things on Printify, t-shirts or something. I'm not sure what I'll put it on, but it will be for sale in my Etsy shop. And here it is in my journal. I haven't yet put my notes in with it. I always put a little notation to give me an idea of what I've done, what I was thinking at the time. Journal keeping is quite fun, I find. And I hope you get something from this sketch. I enjoyed making it. I have to say I really like this medium. And if you did, please remember to like and subscribe. That helps my channel grow, and thank you very much to all of those who've already done that. I really appreciate your help, and I'll see you next time. I haven't thought of what I'll do, but hey, it'll be something. Bye for now.